Tired of the same old make money online advice? Surveys, blogging, affiliate marketing. Boring. What if I told you that in 2025, there are new and unconventional ways to make serious cash online? Ways that most people haven't even heard of yet. From selling audiobooks with AI to live-streamed clothing auctions to even making bank as a virtual assistant. These aren't just ideas. These are legitimate, growing industries that could be your next online goldmine. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. First up, ever thought about selling audiobooks? No? Well, you should. The audiobook industry is exploding. With busy lifestyles, people prefer listening over reading, and that means huge opportunities for creators. The best part? Once your audiobook is out there, it can generate passive income for years. How to get started? Create content. Write an original book or get rights to a public domain book. Hire a professional narrator or use AI voice cloning tools. Publish on Amazon's ACX and reach millions of Audible listeners. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and boom, you made sales overnight, all while you were sleeping. That's the power of audiobooks.
Next up, live-streamed clothing auctions. And no, this isn't just reselling thrift store finds. It's about turning shopping into an interactive, money-making experience. Why this works? People love live shopping. It's engaging, exciting, and fast-paced. Live auctions create urgency. FOMO makes buyers bid higher. Successful platforms like Whatnot are valued at $5 billion. This trend is only growing. How to get started? Source unique clothing items, thrift stores, clearance sales, or your own closet. Use the Tilt app to stream and auction off your pieces. Promote on social media to get more viewers and higher bids. Trust me, people aren't just watching, they're spending. And you could be cashing in. Number 3. Get paid just for giving your opinion and testing products. Yep, it's that simple. Companies need real user feedback to improve their products, and they'll pay you for it. Some people make over $5,000 a year doing this as a side hustle. How to get started? Sign up on platforms like user testing for digital feedback. Join mystery shopping sites to evaluate real-world businesses. Have a phone or laptop. That's literally all you need. Think about it. You're already using websites and shopping at stores. Why not make money doing it?
All right, let's talk about a platform that people have strong opinions about, OnlyFans. But hear me out. It's not just for adult content. Creators from all niches, fitness coaches, musicians, artists, even teachers, are turning their knowledge and skills into cash. And because OnlyFans allows direct monetization, you control your pricing, content, and audience. How to get started? Create an account and set subscription rates. Develop a content strategy, exclusive videos, tutorials, behind-the-scenes access. Promote on social media to attract subscribers. And before you ask, yes, some top creators make 6 figures a year. So, if you have a talent, why not monetize it?
If you think you need to be a coding genius to create an app, think again. With today's no-code platforms, anyone can build an app and make money from it. And the mobile app market? It's set to generate over $935 billion in 2025. How to get started? Learn basic app building skills on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Use tools like Glide or Adalo to create an app, and no coding needed. Launch it on the App Store or Play Store and monetize through ads, subscriptions, or one-time purchases. Imagine launching an app that thousands or even millions of people use. That's a game changer. Last, but definitely not least, all right, now it's your turn. Which of these online income streams are you going to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more ways to make money online in 2025. See you in the next video.